Ka total votes jong baro ki kertong ka Voice of the People's Party ki job how news nem arzar arpulai uba adalbo nang room na po ka North Shillong constituency uba Arden Mila Besayo Moit na po ka Nongkrem constituency uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang na po ka Maulai constituency but uba Havingstone Karpran na po ka Maurang Keneng constituency uba Arden Mila Besayo Moit uyo kumba Katlai Hajar Arspa Pravundru votes but ka total percentage kalong 10.99% uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang uba yo record ru ha ka Jingbon Woods uyo kumba arbu saujar arspa ndru arwoods but ka total percentage kalong 10.19% uba Havingstone Karpran pat uyo kumba katwe hajar sauspa arbu sauwoods but ka total percentage kalong 9.9% uba adalbo nang room uyo kumba san hajar sanspa prabulai votes but ka total percentage kalong 8.9% kani kalong ka total votes jong baro ki kertong ko Voice of the People Party hakasin ka banengkong but how news nem arjar arpulai tongin ngi scam baki breu kenjit ya kani ka party de kejingmut ka baskem ko blay sipon